Do you have big dreams for your business, but you're not sure where to start? I'm not just talking $1 million dreams, but hundreds of millions of dollars. You come to the right place because we're going to tell you exactly what to do on this episode of Secrets of the 1%. Welcome to Secrets of the 1%. I'm Amelia Thomas, Managing Partner of Empire Capital Ventures. We help first-generation millionaires generate 9 figures in wealth through advanced tax planning and wealth management. Have you ever wondered how companies are able to grow and receive billion-dollar valuations? We will discuss what it takes to build an organization of that magnitude and what you absolutely must have in place in your own business to reach that size and scale. The first area that we will discuss is the importance of building the right team. When a company is seeking to grow and expand, one of the first areas that is often neglected is hiring the appropriate talent. In many cases, small business owners will ask affiliates and associates to recommend an individual for hire. The new hire will fulfill a specific role, yet little to no consideration is given to how that employee will fit into the company's vision and culture. As an employer, when it comes to hiring, your primary task should be to find that one candidate with the common beliefs who can help fulfill the mission of the organization. If that candidate does not resonate with the mission and you cannot see how they can fit in the organization long term, that is not the appropriate candidate for the job. Next is firing fast. There will come a time as a business owner that you realize that the person you hired to help grow your organization is simply not the best fit for the company. The moment you realize the partnership is not going to be productive or beneficial, that is the time to start arranging to part ways. However, for your legal protection, you must take specific actions and steps from the moment the employee is onboarded. There are a few things you should do to protect your organization from unscrupulous ex-employees. Number 1, develop an employee handbook that outlines internal policies and procedures that the employee will sign off on. It must state that they have read, received, and understand and agree to the indicated policies and procedures. Ideally, this should be done during the onboarding process once an employee is hired. Number 2, set very clear standards that cannot be easily misunderstood so that the employee knows when they have overreached their boundaries. Number 3, provide and keep proper documentation. Failure in this area is one of the most common ways employers find themselves in legal trouble over a disgruntled former employee. Systems and processes should be established as part of your organization's standard operating procedures. Number 4, have quarterly reviews with your employees and document the conversation. Number 5, ensure written warnings are dated and have the employee's signature as their acknowledgement. Number 6, consider placing the employee on probation if corrective measures have not been taken to address the behavior that caused the written warning. Number 7, have a witness present if you have to actually terminate an employee. Some business owners will start new candidates in a temporary role for 90 days as a 1099 contractor. If you choose this option to provide both you and the candidate a trial period, make certain that you are following all of the applicable laws regarding the use of 1099 contractors versus employees. Next thing you need is a vision. In scaling up, Mastering the Rockefeller Habits 2.0, Vern Harnish says successful athletes need a strong core or midsection to provide overall stability, power, and control. The same holds true for business owners seeking to grow and scale their operations. Having a strong vision statement that everyone can buy into does several things. First, it allows the business owner to focus on the bigger picture. Second, it broadens the employee's view of the organization and the importance of their role and relevance in the company's success. Third, it provides clarity and guidance as it relates to the delegation of tasks and the curbing of unethical behavior. A great set of core values should leave your employees feeling empowered and important. They will know that their job actually has meaning and significance. If your organization lives up to its value, you, along with your team, will find it conflicting to perform any action that does not align with those values. And when you focus on developing a set of core values with exponential execution, it is not impossible for your business to balloon within 3 to 5 years. Next is strategic planning. I can tell you from firsthand experience that outside of cash flow, the majority of small businesses fail for the following reasons. Number 1, the overall lack of planning. And number 2, not knowing how to reach their target audience and or having the right product market fit. If you do not have core values for your business, establish them within the next 2 weeks. If you do not have internal policies and procedures or a company handbook, yet you do have employees or contractors, aim to hire an HR consulting firm to help you write one. There's so much more that I would like to cover on this topic, but we haven't been able to touch the surface because of time. But you can find out the rest by going to weeklywealthreport.com or scanning the QR code on your screen. I invite you to become an insider to get all of my secrets. In the meantime, thanks for joining us. I'm Amelia Thomas, and see you next time for the secrets of the 1%.
The Convo, your home for conversations on Black entrepreneurship and wealth, available on your favorite platforms.